The Concrete House at Paniotis is a bespoke single-family house located in the fairly dense suburban area of Paniotis and Limassol and stands in stark contrast to its adjoining properties. Although the plot is surrounded by pre-existing properties nearby, the project achieves organic fluidity between inside and outside, spatial permeability, and the perception of openness. A bold metal screen, steel frame and expanded mesh panels on the West Street facade acts as a privacy barrier and creates a sense of anticipation just before one enters and experiences the spatial porosity and seamless extension to the outside. Interior spaces spill out to a series of interstitial spaces created between the main concrete envelope of the building and a secondary skin of folding timber slat panels and sliding expanded mesh screens. The exterior landscape provides a continuous flow around the building, revealing the basement as a lower ground level with access to outdoor spaces. All living spaces are south-facing with deep horizontal cantilevers that cast shadows in the summer. Openings toward other orientations encourage cross-ventilation. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.